Hello, everyone, and good morning. My name is Rashami Vigorously, and these are my fellows, Akif and Nukhaidina. We are from Group Hitam and would like to present you C-VEYEZ application. So let's move on. In recent years, many employers have turned CV screening software to help them quickly, efficiently sort through a large number of job applications. And we know that these tools use algorithms and natural languages to scan the CVs relevant to show what keywords, skills, allowing the recruiters to focus on most promising candidates. By automating this initial screening process, the employers can save times and resources, which also potentially reducing bias and improving the overall quality. However, important is that to note that these tools are not infallible and should be used in conjunction with other methods to ensure that fair and throughout the hiring process. Therefore, we would like to present you the strategies of crafting stand-out CV that can help employers to overcome these hurdles, which is called CVS. So these are our objectives, which is to automate and streamline the recruitment process through the CV screening apps. And one of the problems that we find that the large number of job applicants for open position is overwhelming and time consuming for the HR professionals to sort out the candidates. Now I would like to show you the breakdown of the code. So here it is. As you can see, there are some necessary libraries that will be imported. There are four of them, and we use the different library for the sequence matcher. So these are the functions that we use, which is screen CV. So screen CV actually takes the candidate tags, a list of keywords, and job description as input. It uses regular expressions to find the matches of keywords in the CV tags and calculates the similarity percentage between the CV and the job description using the sequence matcher class from the different library module, and it returns the keywords matches and the percentage, similarity percentage. You can see it over here. Let's move. Okay, another functions that we use also is the screen folder. So basically, the screen folder is actually text to open the job description file and also the folders that contain the candidate CVs to use it as an input, and it defines the keywords to screen by splitting the job description text into words, then converting them to a lower case. Then screen each of the candidate CVs using the screen function before. Thus, it helps to store the number of matches, similarities, the percentage of each candidate in the dictionary, and also sort the candidates based on similarity percentage in descending order. And lastly, returns the top candidate as a list of files name. So this is in other words, we can say it as a main function, where I actually use the main block only. It helps to provide a simple command line interface, which easy for the user to interact with the script. It display a menus and options to screen the candidates or to exit. And also it helps the users to put the desired numbers of candidates and call the screen folder function before to get the top candidates, then display the results with the number keywords matches and similarity percentage of each candidate. So this is how it works. Before I would like to tell you how it works. We would like to tell you that the solutions of this application is to screening the candidates in quickly and efficiently check, which evaluates a large number, which able to use for a large number of CVs. So one of the benefit is it enables to identify the most suitable candidates based on specific keywords and criteria, and also reduce the risk of unconscious bias in the hiring process. How? We standardizing the screening criteria and minimizing the influence personnel appointments or biases. As a result, the resources for employers and we are and employers are able to identify the best candidate for jobs. Sorry. So this is the flow charts of our code of our application CVEYEZ. So this is where we start, and then it goes to the creating header design, and the codes will be provide the users with these two options, which is to screen candidates or to exit. So let's say it's if the candidates put the wrong one or wrong invalid input, it will go back to the greeting header. So we have two choices over here. This one is for exit and this one for screen candidates. And if the user use for uh, press one, it will show this question, which is how many the users would like to take for the candidates. And if the input is in integer, means like in number, so we go proceed to the these two functions here, the screen saver and screen folder, and then after that you print the results, and it goes back. Before it goes back, us to press the continue, it goes back to the menu, and if it's invalid input, it goes back directly to the menu. So this is how it looks like, but we're not show you here, since I can show you with the applications. One second. So as you can see here, I'm using the spider for the Python, and this is the thing that you can see here. It will the codes will be run over here. So let me just run. Okay, there you go. This is the interface and also the menu. So let's say I put one here. I would like to choose screening candidates, and I would like to choose like 3 candidates instead of 2. So there you go. It tells the all the candidates first. How many candidates are there, and then these are the selected candidates, and the candidates with the highest percent of similarities will be chosen, and in descending. So yeah, and after let's say if it's already done, you enter the continue, and it goes back to the main interface here. And then let's say we'd like to exit, and we press 2, and that's it. It's already finished, as it doesn't have any sort of continual stuff. It's already clear over here. So yeah, that's how our applications works. And we provide also in our slides, there's a what we call it, the zip file you can download. And if there are these questions that you're interested, you can message me first in the website of the discussion part, and also our ideas. And lastly, thank you so much for allowing us to join the hackathon. And also, thank you.